Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Zoom H6 handy recorder and hopefully also a quick setup. Coming up, roll the intro. Hey name tags and welcome, this is Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Now I did ask on the community tab if you guys wanted to see me do this quick unboxing, and I was probably going to suck at it. You guys said yep for the most part, so let's go for it. Now this Zoom H6 handy recorder is £251 on Amazon. I bought with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, and there is an affiliate link though. If you use my affiliate link, please consider doing that, as anything you buy is going to help me and the channel hopefully. So at the moment I'm using the Zoom H1, but the limitations of that is quite evident as I'm going into more podcasting and collaborative work with other people. Okay, so instead of getting the H4n Pro, which has 4 mic inputs and 4 channels, I thought I'd go with the H6. One's done and I don't think I'll be upgrading anytime soon. Alright, okay, so what can I tell you about this? This is way over my level, but we'll see what we can do. 6-track portable recorder with interchangeable mics, and I'm guessing it looks like from the onset we have this kind of podcast clip-on accessory, so we could potentially remove that. Okay, one of the reasons I also want this because of the knobs. Right, at the back you've got other accessories which you can get for the Zoom H6. So you've got like a shotgun mic and some remotes and XLR cables, obviously windscreen, and you know all this goody stuff. But we'll deal with this. I think this one is kind of a splitter. Splits the top one into 2 more XLR inputs. All right. On the side, what we have is great for music, video, USB interface, and field recording. And the features, what we have is 4 XLR/TRS inputs, 6-channel recording, 24-bit/96 kHz audio, compressor for limiter and low cut filter, gain controls individual. This is kind of a big selling point for me. USB interface, 6 in and 2 out, 2 LCD screen which are tilted, 20 hours plus with 4 AA batteries, and supports up to 128 GB with SD-H with SD-XC cards. I can't even read. Okay, right, so let's open it up. It includes 2 GB SD memory, and there's some software which also is bundled, free bundle software, Cubase LE for music production, and Wave Lab LE. I have never used them, but I'm sure it's going to be wicked. So let's open it up. Alrighty then. I really suck at this, okay? Don't blame me. Alright, what we got inside? Okay, some sort of case. Whoo! Oh wow, I feel important. James Bond! Cool case. It's plastic, it's not aluminium. At this price point, was I expecting aluminium? I'm not sure, but let's put this to the side. What else we got? We have in there, and that's it. There's nothing else inside. Okay, put the box to the side. Might come in handy. Want to resell this or send it back to Amazon if it sucks. This is just some packaging material. Put that to the side. And this is the manual. Right, so just like thick manual, which is, you know, I'm happy with the manual because these days you hardly get anything with manuals. I'm guessing the usual, you know, operation manual. So that's looks quite extensive. I'm sure I'll be reading this later. SD card usage, some cards, leaflets, the usual, you know, crap. Right, we'll put that to the side because I'm sure you guys are not here to watch the manuals. Let's get the case. How does it open? I'm guessing snap this open. Cool. And wow, I was supposed to be very impressed. So what we got here? Okay, we have a windshield and 2 batteries. This is not rechargeable, right? Put that to the side. We have, looks like a charging cable, USB, I'm guessing. Yeah, we'll open this in a minute. The rest 2 AA batteries. Included is the SD card. How much was it? Oh, come on, 2 GB SD card. That sucks. It would have been much bigger than that. But I guess, you know, better than nothing. I get the adapter with it. Alright, and I'm guessing this is the main, whatever this is. This is going to be the main thing. And this is going to be one of the microphone and the other microphone. And the case is now empty. Not too bad. There's some foam here for protection. Plastic. Hey ho. Right. Okay, let's see. We have here is okay, wow. Okay, much more heavier than my Zoom H1, which I was expecting. Zoom, these knobs were a big selling point for me. And the top here, this is where the attachments for the various microphones are gonna go. At the bottom, we have a line out jack, some sort of interface for a remote. Not sure what these two are. To the side, these are 2 XLR input, which is also dash the TRS input. Okay, combo. SD card slot. Line out 3.5mm jack for headphone. Volume button plus and minus, and the hold button, and then on button. To the back, looks like a speaker, and the to hold it on top of the DSLR. I think this is standard, whatever the size is, I don't remember. Obviously the battery, which we probably should put in. Let's do it. Why not? You know, they gave us battery, might as well use it. And we'll turn this bad boy on in a minute, because we probably need to do some testing as well. Boy, I suck at this stuff. I mean, I really need to start doing a bit more, you know, unboxing. I am a tech channel after all. Can I start doing this stuff with your help? Okay. Wow. And I'm trying to do this in one shot. Okay. Right. Hey guys, look! I can put batteries! I should, because I work in tech. Alright. Okay, where were we? We've done this side, we've done this side. Okay, to the other side, right side, got another 2 XLR input slash TRS input. This, I have no idea what this is. I'll have to find out. And there's a menu button. Oh, I'm guessing it's for the menu button, and then going to be selecting the various options. There is also a mini USB for charging. Or using, I don't think charging, I'm not sure, but definitely for using the Zoom H6. Okay, right. Now let's talk about the attachments. We'll put it to the side. We've got 1 attachment and 2 attachments. What we got here? Right, this is a little podcast attachment. It has its own individual knob for gain, and that clicks into the top. And this is called the Zoom MS H6 MS stereo mic. Okay, and there is a little protecting cover here, which I'm going to need to take off. Quite cool. I am so happy for this. This is going to be able for right and left channel. I'm guessing podcasting. Fantastic. And I did not know they were going to include this. I'm so happy. And also, this is going to be the main microphone. I mean, this thing is huge, much bigger than the one on the Zoom H1. Well, not, you know, too big, but it's the Zoom XY-H6 XY stereo mic. And again, same principle, got a protecting cover, and it's got its own knob control. Okay, and this tilt, I think this tilt is adjustable. This is currently 90 degrees, but I'm not sure how it works, but I'm sure I'll figure it out later. Okay, let's put this one, take this off, and I'm guessing we take this off, and it's got some sort of electrical component here, and plug this in. Is that how it goes? Yep, looks like it. I'm a bit scared. push it in. There you go. I think it kind of clicked in, and this is for removing. Let's see. Push to remove, or just click in. There you go. It clicks into place. Perfect. So I'm guessing now we are going to turn it on for the first time. Button on is going to be here. Press and hold, and there's a plastic here, but I'm going to leave that for now. Let's zoom that in a bit more. Okay, and there's some setup. The English I'm gonna select next. So this, I'm guessing to select will be this button, the menu, or this. The year. Oh, so there's a bit of interface, and can you see? I don't think it's very clear. Do apologize, but not before I also show you the USB cable. Ta-da! Standard, you know, USB, micro USB. You guys know what this is, so you know. Do you know what? We might as well just try it with the SD card they gave us. Okay, why not? Just for kicks. One SD card coming. Is this? I'm guessing this is. Oh, you have to use the adapter. That sucks. Put the SD card in the adapter and push that in. There you go. And we'll continue the setup. Let's see if I can, you know, do this with you guys. So year 2000, and now we're gonna select. Let's zoom that in even more. Is zoomed. Yep. Can you see? Okay, cool. Oh, what the hell, man. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and then go month is, what's the month? Is the 8. It's funny pressing down. Month is 8. Press. Day is the 31st. Hour, I'm gonna have to check my phone. Don't even know what time it is. I think it's 5:23. So hour is, oh, it's 24. So, and minutes is 23. Well, we're gonna have to put 24 by the time we're done. And second, God, no, just leave it there. I'm gonna press that to finish. It's the record button. Bingo. Alright, it's giving me some sort of folder, empty folder. I don't know any of this stuff, but let's do a quick test. Why not? So right now I'm speaking into a Rode Mic Go. Okay, it's the smaller brother of the Rode Mic Pro, at about a foot away from my mouth, and it's recording into a Zoom H4n at 75 input level. Okay, so now I'm going to try to record from here, and I have no idea. We're going to use the top left and right microphones for here. So let's see. How do you do this? I have no idea. Let's just press record. No channel record ready. You have to press the channel record. So I'm guessing let's put gain at 5 because it's 1 to 10. And how do you on the record channel? I have no idea. Left, right. Test. This is testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I think we have something now because I pressed left, right. So you select this left, right for the top. I see. Now let's do this. Let's record. Press record. Okay. What about the level? I'm not even sure the level for. I think this left, right. No, left, right. This is gonna be level 5. Test 1 2 3 4. Test 1 2 3 4. This is a test of the Zoom H6 with a AKG D5 microphone, and it's currently connected through an XLR cable on line 1, and I am inputting gain at about 7 on the knob, and the recording is on WAV format file at 48 and 24. This is without any added audio effects. Stop that. Did it stop? I guess it stopped. So if I press this on, goes off. Cool. Okay, let's put this to the video editor and see what we can come up with. So thank you so much for watching. You know what to do down below. This was Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. And remember to subscribe and also leave me a like, a comment, and share this vid with everyone. As always, this was a pleasure. Until next time, peace out.